ebusia for bidin ede na naja ekubia aha Xposed GH na say on subscribe ya me share subscribe my channel no my na share patwa so share video ni wi share my afen so like esan so efa my na ebusia for me kai o say neat roofing e na asomasne na SIKA MPξ DEDE SIKA MPξ DEDE na say we kra akakoye say ye ma peni we die I say the way our money my no so who you said then you I don't even know me I don't vote into me I am non-partisan okay into say me can be it doesn't mean say I'm an NDC we are not say me NPP na ye man penny ebe address yen Sunday no na nsem ni bia o keka o SIKA yen de MPξ DEDE nti akwakoye say ye sika na ana Ghana for ye ho na akire na na man ni mu na ye din no I say ye dede na sika ne koye and I say then I don't get it I don't get it okay so like a lot of the celebrities have hopped on this particular SIKA MPξ DEDE asem. Now obin so onon so you know say there is nothing na ebetwem akakoye to say Queen Efia Shasinega bibia sin na wan fa ni wan film bia. Now that means say he or she is not in the system. Na me try Shatta Wale asem na me kan Shatta Wale SM fans for more king. Na ono and or say SIKA MPξ DEDE no ndie or the trouble Andy Dosty and I'm wondering what Andy Dosty did to him or say mo sorry I'm kasa pa in the boy Andy Dosty and some other people mo kasa pa no or Tremo say oh no he doesn't talk a lot or he doesn't talk much like I don't talk much I just be rushing or try or no nisika ekasamanu ba like seriously Shatta Wale who talks more than you I'm just wondering like who talks more than you nigga like who talks more than you obi anim say Shatta music industry mu die you can't obi o kana dwen so like for you to say you don't talk much you keep making money and then I or to SIKA train or try why we need SIKA the Shatta Wale the SIKA train no trail say no on kasa because o kasa SIKA gina on same thing mo kasa ni na you guys are broke into no he doesn't talk but money do you know how much money Shatta makes I think I've heard this countless times you just someone so Martini baby say every day be Shatta the ninja pade ni fie the SIKA the chains the silver chains no and the watches no they be not the Ghana form poa and like yen kwana the video name bra
that what Akufo-Addo can tell you no SIKA MPξ DEDE SIKA MPξ DEDE you see the way I wake up my house so quiet like bank SIKA MPξ DEDE SIKA this one as I wake up this one be changed SIKA MPξ DEDE SIKA MPξ DEDE if I wake up every day some 5 CD days, some 10 CD days, some SIKA MPξ DEDE. Here Akufo-Addo can tell you, SIKA MPξ DEDE. Who MPξ DEDE too much? And the Dosty money, Akwesi Abuaji money. Muye nkwala mami. Muye nkwala. Who MPξ DEDE too much? Who kasa? Every day muso we no be kasa and so do you think that is chale mu kasa? Mukasa and the president SIKA MPξ DEDE. SIKA MPξ DEDE. Muye dede too much. Every day Shatta Wale do this, Shatta Wale, and the boy they make money. Every day they make money, every day, me every day for my life. If I show you my YouTube analytics, safe every day. What are you talking about? You know internet pass me. Who will the browse? Who will the browse before we come out? Who will the browse? SIKA MPξ DEDE. Mukasa dujo. Today go see. We said last time I watch some interview. Oh no, the topic just changed and they talk. I said MPξ DEDE. When you no like noise, even your president can't tell you. You put where you go vote, where you want me Akufo-Addo come your house, can't sweep your house, can't paint your house, can't change your life. If you can't tell you, say SIKA MPξ DEDE. Money no like noise. Money no like noise. Put date every day. You want prove something. You want show president something. You want show the country something. You want show the fans something. You want do like you don't make sense. SIKA MPξ DEDE. I'm not make a child. They're sitting you and your friends. They sit and they decide. That's why they play rising youth for you people.
Aha. Xposed GH na me kai say ni trufin e na asomas ni trufin say oye promo sisi ayera November mu right into aka just a month after November December na ni promo na ende enti fa omo number no sisi na frɛ omo because ni promo no say ukoto ni materials na ono ankasa wa ma comfort to go and work with the materials that you bought from them for you. You don't pay for the workmanship. Make sure I say, oh, projects B, you see die BB, materials bia, FR roofing bia, go and get it from them. Now, yet also. So, like, moko share no Shatta de ono osorena wankasa. Like Violence King. See, he's supposed to marry Shatta. He's supposed to marry Shatta, no cap, because no, it's like omuni ye bi say like every day you wake up bia Shatta say omo sorry koto aba ema president Nana Akufo-Addo no ochre mo say ono mu vote man but ono all catch him SIKA MPξ DEDE say political way na all you sense den you are well na ebusan for aha e na me di mu besi na me kai say on subscribe my YouTube channel na me share subscribe my na afen so share videos no emaye din edena na aja ekubia akram
Oniadofo de ne wo how de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan na wasiewie na wo penchensen papa de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam ne true things ebie wo mo ensem de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo how no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda